Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. Now I'm going to share with you the research ideas outline, and our today's topic is the effect of meditation on attention span and creativity of college students in Rajshahi. So this is Nazia Sultana, and this one is my magic number. In our daily life, there are numerous experiences and events that drive people's attention and cause stress, which may be linked with the aspects of ill being and lowered well being. Meditation may recover such sort of issues. Meditation can be summarized as a group of practices that are characterized by open minded and non judgmental perspective. So our total presentation, we have discussed this one into four parts: the background of study, the research objective, the methodology, and data analysis. Now we're going to have a look about attention span. The length of time duration, which is one able to concentrate or remain interested. This one we may call attention span. What about the creativity? Creativity is the ability to think about a task or a problem in a new or different way, or the ability to use imagination to generate new ideas. So we got three variables here. The last one is meditation or mindfulness. Meditation is a practice in which an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness, attention, or focusing the mind on the particular object through or actively to train or and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Meditation has been primarily characterized as a practice of self regulation of attention using the various techniques. What about the relationship among three variables? The relationship between meditation and attention span is an integral issue for the cognitive scientist to investigate, especially if the benefits of the contemplative practices on health domains are the result of attention modulation method. And the relationship between the meditation and creativity has also examined in a number of studies, and it has been suggested that meditation may improve creativity through its effect on cognitive process. Background of study. Literature shows that students have a severe deficiency of attention span and creativity. On the other hand, there is a strong evidence from the study that meditation has significant impact on attention span and creativity. That's why we got a strong appeal to work with that. So now let's talk about in details about background of our study. It is evident that attention and creativity play a significant role. The length of time one can focus on a subject without being sidetracked is known as the attention span. Creativity is capacity to create something new that is both appropriate and worthwhile. Meditation may be defined as a state of practices characterized by an open minded and non judgmental attitude. Meditation has been primarily characterized as the practice of self regulation or attention using various techniques. The relationship between meditation and creativity has also been examined in a number of studies, and it has been suggested that meditation may improve creativity through its effect on cognitive processing. Now we are going to discuss about research objectives. To conduct any research, we're supposed to find out some objectives. For our research, we're going to find out four research objectives. So, what are they? The first one, to examine the effect of meditation on attention span among undergraduate students in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. To examine the effect of meditation on creativity among undergraduate students in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. The third one is to examine whether the gender has any effect on attention span among undergraduate students in Rajshahi. And the last one, to examine whether the gender has any effect on creativity among undergraduate students in Rajshahi. Now we're going to discuss about the methodology. This research will adopt quantitative approach. A systematic investigation will be done by gathering quantifiable data and performing the statistical and computational technique. Two questionnaires will be used to measure attention span and creativity among the participants. Now we're going to discuss about the research design. A quasi-experimental research design will be followed here. There will be no randomization in the study. The participants will be selected from pre-existing groups. In meditation group, there will be the participants who are practicing meditation for a certain time. The participants of non-meditative group, they will have no meditation experiences. It will be a cross-sectional research design, and the data will be collected from the different individuals at a single point in time. What about the population and sampling? A perspective of sampling method to be employed in the study to select participants. Purposive sampling targets a particular group of people and is a form of non-probability sampling. In this study, there will be two groups of participants. One will be meditative group, another will be non-meditative group. The sample will be considered of 100 participants in total. Each group will have 50 participants. All of the participants will be undergraduate students of Rajshahi. What about the instruments? Actually, there are so many instruments which are used to conduct any research. However, to continue this research, these are the following instruments have been selected. They are the Morse attention rating scale, and another one is Kaufman domains of creativity scale. So first one, the Morse attention rating scale, which is appropriate to measure the attention span, and the second one, the Kaufman domains of creativity scale. This one is responsible to measure the creativity, in fact the level of creativity. And now the data analysis. The multiple regression and t-test will be used to analyze the data. SPSS will be used for data analysis here. We are expecting the following findings from our study. There will be a positive effect of meditation on attention span among undergraduate students in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. The second one is there will be a positive effect of meditation on creativity among undergraduate students in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. The gender will have no effect on attention span among undergraduate students. And lastly, the gender will have no effect on creativity among undergraduate students in Rajshahi. So that's all from my side today. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot for being with us.